NASA has potentially found a new habitable planet. The sad reality is that Earth is unlikely to be habitable forever. It is predicted that 4 billion years from now, the increase in Earth's surface temperature will heat Earth's surface enough to melt it. At that point, all life on Earth will be extinct. This might seem like such a faraway time, but just 'cause it won't affect us directly, doesn't mean we shouldn't care. Everything we do now impacts the Earth and the lives of the generations that follow us. The way we're treating Earth as it is only accelerating the process and making it harder and harder for each generation. Luckily, NASA announced that its technology has discovered a new type of planet in the habitable zone of a star that could provide liquid water. This is crucial as it could mean that the planet could make a new world for humans. This is what we know so far. Just keep reading through the story in order to learn more. Are you still searching for your life purpose? You won't believe what the science of numerology can reveal about you. That's right, the numerology of your birth date, regardless of what month you were born, can reveal surprising information about your personality. We take the Earth for granted because we have never known any other home. Earth has been our chosen planet, either by us or some higher power we don't fully yet know or understand. We thought that was the only planet that could support us, so we felt like we had to stay here. However, that might not actually be the case. Big and livable? This isn't the first planet that is just as big as Earth, if not bigger, that NASA has discovered in recent years. However, it might be the first potentially habitable one, other than Mars, that humans could call home if Earth no longer can serve them. It has water. The most important factors in making a planet habitable for us are if it has water and if we can breathe its air. When it comes to water, World TOI 700 was located in the habitable zone, a region where liquid water could exist. The planet is close to its star and NASA has confirmed that there is liquid water in the region. In fact, data showed that the planet lines up right on the inner edge of the zone, meaning that liquid water could live in its atmosphere, according to NASA. With water quickly drying on Earth, this is great news. Only about 3% of Earth's water is fresh water, and of that, only about 1.2% can be used as drinking water. Bigger than Earth. The planet is about 1,500 light-years from Earth. The planet is 1.06 times the size of Earth and orbits its star as well. However, with it being so far away, it would not yet be possible to transfer humans to it. At the maximum speed of our space shuttle, which travels 5 miles per second, it would take us roughly 37,000 human years to travel 1 light-year, let alone 1,500 of them. Suitable for humans. In theory, this planet could be suitable for humans, but there are still a lot of obstacles standing in the way of making moving. Other than water, we have not checked off the rest of the list. Is there gas? The next biggest question is whether the atmosphere contains gas that could be produced by living organisms. If it does, the results would make this world one of the most habitable planets in the habitable zone of a star. It could take another 10 years to find out. Eternal sunshine and endless nights. One of the interesting parts about this planet is that it seems that one side of the planet and the other side have eternal sunshine and endless nights. Astronauts still need to take a closer look to learn more. Imagine a world where whenever you craved the energy and warmth of the sun, there it was, but whenever you needed the calmness of night, it was also accessible simultaneously. It's not the only one. This discovery is exciting for astronomers because only a few potentially habitable planets have been discovered outside our solar system, all about half the size of Earth. Because of their small stars, these planets receive only a small amount of the energy that the sun supplies to Earth. To maintain healthy blood levels, humans need to get 10 to 30 minutes of midday sunlight, several times per week, meaning constant sun exposure is necessary for our survival, not to mention for our crops too.